What's good, June Squad?
What's going on, Speed Riders?
And your boy Randy.
Center Hill Lake in Tennessee for the Tennessee Waterfall Ride. And if you're not here, please make sure you put this on your list next year. We're going to do it next year again, and Lake Jocassee.
Guys, make sure you stick around and also hit the like button.
Yes.
Help us get this video out there, show all the people, you know, what's out here in the world.
Whoa! Whoa!
Ooh, almost fell over. It's slippery.
Come on! It's gonna give you energy. Oh my God! Awesome, huh?
This is my front boy.
Yeah. Woo. Oh my!
Oh my God, that's just my breath boy, bro. I'm just gonna go.
Walk that way.
All right.
Thanks, cool.
So this is the furthest point. We're going this way, right?
Yeah.
Now we're going back the other way.
Going back the other way. Oh God. And go visit this one that he falls, but he's got a pool.
Okay. Oh boy. Awesome. Oh my God, that's a walk of I don't know if I could do that, but I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna approach it from down here.
I guess we didn't pass the waterfall, okay?
Alright, we're gonna approach it from here.
Wow! Ah, that is your cheek. Your cheek. Watch out, watch out. Me, I'm...
It makes you feel young really quick.
Yeah, yeah. Me, I'm sitting. I'm going through you.
Yeah, baby. Woo! Alright, we stopped here for a little bit of gas. Well, we had to fill back up because we went a full tank before we actually stopped. So we got to fill up and we're going to head back. We're going to actually hit some falls now on the way back that we passed that I didn't know about. So we went to the furthest point that we can go. We checked out those falls and now we're going to go back towards the ramp, but we're going to be stopping at different places as we go. So here we go. Made it to one of the biggest waterfalls so far, guys. Check it out. That thing is amazing. How that water is just coming down like that. Super nice.
I like it, man. I like it. That's right. I got
Really beautiful. That is dope. Super high too. Got to be over 100 feet. Super nice. How you guys doing?
Well, you go all right?
Oh yeah.
It's hard to be bad right now, right?
Yeah, very hard. Alright, so I got a good idea. I found an anchor that I can just anchor to, but that's gonna scratch my ski up if it comes across, so we're gonna lay it down. Yeah. Anyway, we floating. Here.
Thank you. You found battery? Move over there and then
Here you go. The lake life in Tennessee, that's what it's all about. Waterfalls, people. Alright, we are leaving that beautiful waterfall back there. We are headed to another one, and we are pushing it on time. So we have to hurry up, check out that waterfall, and then get back to the ramp before it gets too late. You know how that goes. When we venture, we don't want to stop. We just keep on going and going and going. But it's just been an awesome day so far. Guys, don't forget, hit that like button for me. Come on, hit it, hit it. See you guys in the next waterfall. What's down there? Oh. lot of concrete. Looks like there's water in it too. I don't know what this is, but it looks super old. Look at that. Like a gears to something. I don't know what it is, but whoa. Look at the mountains. It goes all the way up. Rocks everywhere. You see all this green stuff in the water? We had to park down there because all this green stuff. So I'm hiking to the waterfall right now. Hope you guys look. Somebody done prop some chairs there. Whoa. Wow. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh boy, oh wow. Wow.
Oh my God.
Wow. You guys want to see this, huh? Check it out. I got 1 bar gas, dude. Being far? How far are we?
Cuando salgamos, you know when cuando empezó a ver todos esos palitos aquí,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
The water?
trees coming out of the water, we went on the right of it, right?
Yeah.
We go out, we're gonna
Take it
off
out,
that
yeah.
and go back in through that hole.
And how many miles is that?
There to there, around.
3 miles? Back to the ramp?
Oh, back to the ramp? No, back to the ramp, we need to put gas.
I was about to say.
Yeah, no. Back to the ramp from here, 30 miles. Come on.
We got some water with this. My glove.
I got water here. Mira.
That thing is awesome. I didn't get in this one though. Manny and them got in it, and I got here a little late. My skis at the other end because it broke down. Well, not break down, but I got wood stuck in it because there's a lot of debris in the water. You finally made it.
We finally made it.
And now we leaving. Here comes the switch. Whew. You gotta keep it slow. Alright, June Squad, it is the end of the day. Tennessee was a blast. Oh my god, we had such a great time here. we have to come back out here again. We spent 2 days out here and we just explored all over the place. Today was very rough. I think we put in about 120 miles. Super crazy. I mean, we filled up I filled up my ski three times, and I'm at a half a tank now, so that'll tell you how much miles we put in today. And every time I got to the gas station, I was beeping, so it was crazy, but wonderful day. I appreciate everybody. I appreciate Manny and Vinny. First off, those are our tour guides today, bro. We went everywhere. We checked all the waterfalls out, man, and thank you to them. We had a great time today. And also shout out to Kentucky PWC riders. Some guys, they did the event today, and appreciate that. You guys did an awesome job. It was a lot of skis. A lot of people came from Florida here to support, and we showed out, man. We had this lake literally just jam-packed. So again, guys, thank you for watching this series first off, and you know, again, you know, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like my video, please like it. I'm gonna say goodbye, honey. We're gonna say goodbye. Gladys,
hold on,
Gladys. Had a great day, did you not, or no?
I did. Hey people, that's my kid here. Say hi there, people.
All right, anyway.
We had a great time. This is so beautiful here. Mountains, fresh air, great people. I mean, you can't ask for anything else.
You cannot, definitely. Sun's going down. We are leaving tomorrow. We got about another 13-hour trip back to Palm Bay, and yeah, thank you guys for watching, but we are out of here. We're tired. We're gonna get back to the hotel and chill out and get ready to leave in the morning. But I appreciate you guys for watching. Tennessee, thank you for having us. This place was awesome. These guys, come check it out. Peace.